hope you're having a good day. This is Brandon Campbell coming to you live again with cryptocurrency news. And why do I constantly talk about cryptocurrencies, marketing strategies? Is because these all make a difference, because I know a lot of you all have invested in cryptocurrency or were looking to invest in cryptocurrencies. And right now, cryptos is not doing so good. Right now, as we speak, Bitcoin is around $20,976 and some change. And that's not good for the crypto market. And considering a lot of people have invested a lot of money, like taking out second mortgages out to buy Bitcoin back when it was $58,000, and thinking and listening to these fake experts. And the reason I call them fake experts is because these people are not really experts. It's just all at the cryptocurrency market, as it is a relatively very young market, and we have a lot to learn about crypto. We don't know how this cryptocurrency market is going to act when we have a recession looming. I mean, let's think about it. Everyone's looking at the stock market when really you should be looking at the bond market. Why do I say the bond market? Well, because the number one creator of crypto, China, has over 40% of their condos unoccupied. And that's going to be bad for a bond market, considering bonds are held and backed by 30-year mortgages. So I'm saying this to let you know, people, you would be better off starting a small business than you would to invest in crypto. And why? Excuse me for that. You think about it. If you had $21,000 a day, you could start an online e-commerce store. You could start a service-based business, and you could run a couple of Google ads, which might cost you between $500 and $1,000 a month, and be better off than any person that has ever invested in crypto ever. Why? Because it allows you to keep a customer base. It brings you in a monthly income. See, a lot of these so-called crypto experts, and I know just like you have them in your inbox and I have them in my inbox, I always seem to ask them, well, how much money do you make a month? Well, one time I got one guy said, hey, I make about $15,000 a week. I said, yeah, but how much do you make a month? See, and you got to realize in the crypto trading world, in order for someone to win big, someone has to lose big. And a lot of people that might have entered into a position and bought around 30,000, even those people are right now losing. You would be better off investing in yourself than you would in crypto. Why? Because crypto doesn't pay a dividend. I am an advocate buyer of things that only produce a monthly income. Because even though if you own a lot of Bitcoin, you got banks that's lending you money based on your Bitcoins, but that's not a good deal. Cryptos, they might bounce back in the next year or two, but right now I just don't see the crypto market getting any better. The whole crypto market hangs above what happens to Bitcoin. And so when Bitcoins go, all the other cryptos go, and a lot of people that's in the market end up having to sell for a loss. Look at all the stuff we got happening. You got mass layoffs that's coming down the pipeline. You got technology that's going to replace people that don't want to work. The last thing you want to invest in is crypto. Hey, if you want a good investment that's going to make you some money every day, consider investing in Prosper Lending Club. Some of these places that give you, it's not going to be a huge return, but you're getting a return on your money. And while you're getting a return on that money, if you have your business set up the correct way and it's going to your business bank account, it looks great to the bank. Why? Because a cash on hand is always considered an asset that may help you qualify for, a small loan, because I know a lot of you out there, you got some good ideas, you got a dream that you want to bring fruition to the market, and you need a little capital. This is the way to do it. This is the channel right here that you need to check out. You should check out one of my earlier crypto videos that I did, was talking about Bitcoin and stuff, and how this market, no one seems to really know what's going on. It's a lot of speculation. I was checked out one expert that even said that Bitcoin was possibly going to go to as low as $1,100, and that is where a lot of the real investors are waiting for Bitcoin to drop down to 1,100. And you had some predicted that Bitcoin would be as high as $100,000. That's why a lot of people jumped in the crypto market, taking out second mortgages, getting loans, withdrawing money out their 401k plan, which I don't blame you there, because I don't really trust in the 401k plan myself to be able to invest in crypto. But there is a better way than crypto, starting your own small-based business, service-based business. And for those of you that's got specialized skills and knowledge in particular fields, you can become a consultant. And if properly done and marketing your business the right way, you can always have a steady flow of leads. If you are good at marketing, or if you need help, just click up here on my channel somewhere. Check out some of my videos. I give you the latest tips on how to get more clients, how to keep a constant flow of leads, and how to not market your business, especially if you're a network marketer. And I hope you like the video. Comment and tell me, what do you think about the crypto market? Which way do you think? I really want to know your opinion and what your thoughts is, so we can have this open dialogue about the crypto market, better ways to make money. So I will answer all comments. Thank you. Have a great day. If this is your first time stopping by and you like the content, hit the bell notification so that you can be notified when I drop more content. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you.